Page 9. Say with me. A sound A. Uppercase A and lowercase a. A, ant. A, arrow. A, alligator. A, Adam. A, Azra. Again, uppercase A and lowercase a. A sound A, ant. Arrow, alligator, Adam, Azra. Now, with the help of your textbook CD, we will learn how to write alphabets. Start from letter A. This is uppercase A and this is lowercase a. Start write uppercase letter from the top line. Draw a slanting line. Draw another slanting line. Join these two slanting lines with a sleeping line makes A. Draw a curve. Start from the second line and join this with the upper line and ends like this. This makes A. Page number 10. Say with me. B. Uppercase B and lowercase b. B sound B. B, ball. B, bag. B, bus. B, batul. B, Bashir. Again, uppercase B and lowercase b. B sound B, ball. Bag, bus, batul, Bashir. Write uppercase B. Start from the first line. Draw a standing line. And draw a curve from the top line and other curve that makes B. Draw a standing line from the top line and draw a curve from the second line that makes B. Uppercase B and lowercase b. Uppercase B and lowercase b. Page number 11. Say with me. C. C sound K. C sound K. Uppercase C and lowercase c. C. K. Cat. C. K. Carrot. C. K. Cap. C. K. Colin. C. K. Carol. Again, uppercase C and lowercase c. C sound K. C. K. Cat. C. K. Carrot. C. K. Cap. C. K. Colin. And C. K. Carol. Learn to write C. Uppercase C and lowercase c. Draw a curve from the top line. Start from the top line. C. Draw a curve from the second line for lowercase. Uppercase C and lowercase c. A, uppercase, A, lowercase. B uppercase, B lowercase, C uppercase, C lowercase. Say with me. A, B, B, C, K. Repeat these lines with me again. A, B, B, C, K. Practice at home on your notebooks. Thank you.